James wants to make money online but doesn't know where to start. In this video, I'll give you 5 simple steps that anyone can follow, even if you're starting from zero. Making money online isn't magic, but it's also not as hard as most people think. The truth is, thousands of people are already making money every single day using just their phones and laptops, and you can be one of them. If you follow these steps the right way, you can start building real income faster than you expect. First, choose a simple skill. You don't need to be an expert. You can start with something like writing, design, video editing, or even using AI tools. The important thing is to pick one skill and focus on it instead of trying to do everything at once. Second, learn quickly. Go to YouTube and search "how to start," followed by your chosen skill. You don't need months of learning. Spend just 2 or 3 days understanding the basics, then move forward. Action is always better than waiting. Third, start small. Don't wait until you feel ready, because you never will. Offer your service at a low price in the beginning just to get your first client. That first small win will give you confidence and momentum. Fourth, use free platforms. You can find clients on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Facebook groups, or even through Instagram direct messages. Most beginners fail here because they don't take action. Reach out to people every single day, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Fifth, improve yourself and level up. Once you start getting results, raise your prices step by step. Keep improving your skills, work smarter, and focus on delivering real value. Over time, your income will grow more than you imagine. Remember, the first $10 you make online is the hardest, but once you break that barrier, everything changes. Stay consistent, stay patient, and don't give up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and ways to make money online.